Yo, what is up guys, this is Harry from Harry Tech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the best 5 affiliate networks that you can join and start making money with. If you are not familiar with the channel, my name is Harry and I do post a lot of helpful content on ways to actually make you money online, whether that be using Google AdSense, whether that be affiliate marketing, freelance, all of that. Then we talk about it here on this channel. So I do urge you to actually subscribe to the channel so you'll not miss on our future uploads. If you have anything to actually recommend, then leave it in the comment section down below and then we'll talk about it in the next videos. And with that out of the way, let's just start with our video. The very first affiliate network that we're gonna be talking about is impact.com, and this one I do have it in the #1 spot because it does a lot of other stuff different than other affiliate networks, which we're gonna be seeing in a bit. So if you want to actually connect to major brands, the likes of CNN, Adidas, BuzzFeed, as you can see, Microsoft even, then you can start with impact.com. And the sign up process is very easy. All you need to do is just fill some details on the sign up page and you can get enrolled with impact.com. And why do I have this one higher on the list? Because the UI of the whole network is just very simple. Even if you don't really know what you are doing, you can actually manage and get familiar with the platform itself. The report section is good, the performance tab is good, you can see your clicks, you can see your conversions, and with that you can really get going. Also, they do have one of the major key points which I do really love in this platform, and this is why I do have it higher on the list. It's the Find Product tab, which actually combines the traditional affiliate marketing with Amazon affiliate marketing as well. So basically you get both of best words. You got Amazon affiliate marketing and you get impact products as well. So essentially there will be loads of products you can promote and get commission by getting sales to those products. So let's just say if you are a social media influencer and you are looking for some products in beauty, then you can do it. And yeah, you can grab some products from here and just link them in your bio, and yeah, just like that you can earn money from that. As you can see, you do have multiple products in here. You got some products that are trending in TikTok. Here you got trendy TikTok products. Here you got Amazon products, which, like I said, you get 15% commission when you get a sale on those products as well, and you get also impact products too. So these are impact's own brands products. So these are not the Amazon products. So you got multiple options to choose from and various ways to make money with this platform. Also, for social media influencers and stuff, you can go to the campaign tabs, and if you are looking for sponsors and brands to work with directly, they will sponsor you, give you the product to review, for example, and get paid to do that. You can do that also via impact. All you need to do is just go to the campaigns tab and look for a campaign that suits you. Once you do that, all you need to do is just click on the campaign and talk to one of the managers of that campaign, and yeah, just like that you can get cracking and get sponsors also from impact.com. So you know why it's higher on the list. The second affiliate network that we're going to be talking about is CJ, or Commission Junction. I would have had this neck and neck with Impact, but really it's just old and clunky, and the UI of this affiliate network is just not really that great. That's just the only downside of this affiliate network. But besides that, everything's good, and you can also get contracts with major brands, the likes of CNN, Ibotta, NordVPN, and much more. The setup process is just straightforward. All you need to do is just click sign up, and yeah, just fill in your details and you can get enrolled into CJ. By the way, if you want us to actually do a breakdown of each affiliate network, then leave it in the comments down below. Like I said, CJ is just good, but really the only downside is the report tab. Like, the report tab is just really not that great. So if you are trying to see the nooks and the details of your campaign and stuff like that, it really is just that clunky. It's just that old. You have to actually have some sort of deeper understanding to actually get familiar with the platform itself. But besides that, it's just great. And like I said, you can connect to major brands with CJ. The next affiliate network is Partner Stack, and if you are talking about the easy views and how easy it is to actually get enrolled with the affiliate network, then Partner Stack is actually number one, because there is no other network that will actually approve you in less than a day other than Partner Stack. If you are looking for a fast way to actually get connected with brands and start promoting brands, then you can head to Partner Stack, create your free account, and you can just get approved in less than a day. You got also a hefty amount of brands that you can connect with, major brands also like Stripe, Webflow, Freshworks, and all of that. And yeah, it's just really straightforward platform to work with. And yeah, as you can see, this is one of my accounts, and I do have a couple affiliate brands here that I'm enrolled with. All you need to do is just set up your account, use your Google email and all of that, log in, and this should be your dashboard. Your clicks, revenue, commissions. As you can see, everything is just straightforward. If you want to actually connect with brands, all you need to do is just click on discover partnerships, and yeah, browse all the available brands there is in here, and you can apply and just start promoting afterwards once you get approved. And yeah, that's it. The next affiliate network that we're gonna be talking about is Flex Offers. I've actually don't have any experience with this one. I've applied twice but they refused my application for some reasons. But all I know, this is one of the best trustworthy and reputable affiliate networks out there. As you can see, there is 12k advertisers in here, and yeah, you can consider this one as an alternative to Impact or CJ maybe. They require some strong background in marketing, but they also enable you to connect with brands the likes of Samsung, Wayfair, Microsoft, Hulu, and more. So like I said, this is a good affiliate network to actually work with as well. The last one is Partnerize, and if you are looking for brands that operates in the AI niche specifically, then this is a perfect place or the perfect affiliate network to actually get enrolled with. I mean, Impact does offer some brands in the AI stuff, but Partnerize just excels in that. Basically, it's just bunch of softwares and bunch of other brands that really operate in the AI niche. All you need to do is just go to Partnerize, create your free account. You should be able also to get approved in less than 3 days if everything is just correct, and if you have some good sources of traffic, they will approve you in less than 3 days even. And once you create your account, all you need to do is just go to campaigns, join campaigns, and in here you will find the campaigns or the brands that you can work with. And like I said, most of them are just in the AI stuff and in the I guess the entertainment too, because they do offer. They have some various verticals. They have some education, business, travel, finance, beauty stuff going on. So you can get by using Partnerize as well. So this is also a good alternative to I would say CJ and Impact. But if I had to actually rank the affiliate networks, like I said, it would be Impact first, CJ second, then Partner Stack third, Flex Offer fourth, and yeah, the last one or the fifth one should be Partnerize. With that out of the way, this was just a quick video on the top 5 affiliate networks that you can work with. Like I said, I've ranked these based on how good they are, the ease of use of each one, and what requires you to actually get enrolled with each one of them as well. So yeah. If this video was helpful, with a like and comment down below. If you have any questions, then also you can leave it in the comments or reach out to me using my social media. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.